Hello students, today we will discuss a very important topic of capacitance and some important numericals also. So let's start. This is the question which we people have to solve it. Simply see this question is very carefully how you will proceed to solve it. And you see if you add any power source between x and y, then what will happen to this arrangement? This will be like this. Simply suppose it is x, this plate is y plate, and this plate is y plate, right? Y. And since you have added any power source like this battery, it means this side the charge will be developed is negative, and this side the charge will develop positive, right? And similarly, the opposite side charge will develop negative, and for to balance this, the charge developed from this side is positive, and charge developed on this side, right? To balance, it is positive, so it is negative, right? So it means and charge will emit from where, this side, it will enter from this one, matlab it means k1 and k2. It means that both are connected in series. So for this possible combination, if you assume it is c1, it is c2, then what will happen? C1 equal to k1 epsilon naught e, and distance between the plates d by 2, right? D by 2. So value of k1 is 2, so 2 into 2, 4, 4 epsilon naught a by d. Similarly for c2, k2 epsilon naught a d by 2. The value of k2 is 3, so 6 epsilon naught a by d. So since these two combinations are a series combination, so C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, and you can write it simply as 1 upon 4 epsilon naught upon d plus 1 upon 6 epsilon naught a by d. This is also a. So this will become like this. If you're going to solve this, this is 4, sorry, this is d upon 4 epsilon naught a plus d upon 6 epsilon naught a. If you take LCM, it is a 3, it is a 2, so 5d upon 12 epsilon naught a. Should equivalent capacitance C for this combination, C equivalent will be 12 by 5 epsilon naught a by D. And in if we concentrate on this arrangement can be changed by another way. Let us see that case also. So simply suppose this is the arrangement. Here the distance will be halved, here the area will be halved. Area A by 2, area A by 2. Distance will remain same between the plates, and the dielectric it is K1, K2. The bifurcating plate, that is something like this, right? Sorry. So in this case, we have to calculate the equivalent capacitance, right? So if we try to solve this question, then first we people have to recognize that this particular combination are in series or parallel. So let's see, if you will add a power source between the terminal x and y, what will happen? See x and it is y. This will be positive side of battery and this will be negative side of battery, right? So these two plates means plate this plates K1, right? This plates K1 is bifurcating from over there, K1 and K2, because the same potential will be applied here. So these two are in parallel combination, right? So you can simply write the parallel combination. The capacitance of each individual is something like this. C1 equal to what? K1 epsilon A by 2 and D, right? And C2 equal to K2 epsilon A by 2D. We're putting the value of K1 is 2. It's 2 epsilon A by 2D, and in this case 3 epsilon A upon 2D. And for equivalent capacitance we will simply add. So C equivalent equal to C1 plus C2 become 2 epsilon A by 2D, 3 epsilon A upon 2D become 5 epsilon A upon 2D, right? So this is the case. If you want to calculate the ratio of series and parallel, right? So ratio C series and C parallel. Series combination की value what? 12 by 5 epsilon naught A by D. 12 by 5 epsilon A by D, and in this case 5 epsilon A by 2D. This and this will be cancelled out. 12 into 2 or 5 into 5, you will get 24 by 25. Show the ratio is 24 by 25. So let us see this question once again from starting. There are two possible arrangement like series and parallel. So how you will recognize this in series? If you add the power source between these two plates, then what will happen? This will simply the current will first enter or charge first will enter in plate 1 and then charge will enter in plate 2, and the simplified diagram will be drawn like this. So by calculating individual capacitance, simply do what you do for series capacitance, right? Correct it. Let's one thing. This is 1 by C resistance, right? This is value of 1 by C, and so the C equivalent will be like this. And in this case, if you try to solve, then first of all observe what is the arrangement of the plates. So if you simply add power source, then you will see the upper plate will be positive and lower plate will be negative. It means the both upper plates are common and lower both are common. So this arrangement is in parallel combination, and simply you in parallel combination simply add like algebraic summation and then find the ratio. This question is very important question. This question have number of times asked in multiple uh, competitive examinations like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, NEET examinations, and in all boards, CBSE board, ICSE board, and other state boards. So prepare this question very thoroughly. And next class we will do some more conceptual questions. And students, kindly subscribe and share for latest update and write your comment in comment section. Thank you class. Thank you.